one, we're going to find the equation of the tangent line to the graph at x sub 1, comma, y sub 1. I'm saying sub for subscript. And we have y squared equals 4px. So what we're going to do is do implicit differentiation and differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x to find the slope. And then we're going to differentiate with respect to x for px. So for the left-hand side, we're going to get 2y times the derivative of y with respect to x. And this side's just going to equal 4p. And technically, that's derivative of x with respect to x. That just equals 1. So we usually don't write that. So there we have that. Now solving for dy dx, which is your slope, you're going to do dy divided by dx equals 4p divided by 2y, which equals 2p divided by y. And again, our y cannot equal 0 because it's undefined. So just make sure you write that down. All right, so the equation of the tangent line at this point is going to be y minus y sub 1 equals 2p. Now for this one, since we're at this point, we're going to put y sub 1. Okay, because we're at this point. And then we're going to do x minus x sub 1. So just don't forget to do this part here. Now let's go ahead and cross multiply this. And we're going to get y sub 1 times y minus y sub 1 squared equals, and I'm going to go ahead and distribute this for now. It's going to be 2px minus 2px sub 1. All right. Looking at this, this piece right here is just going to equal 4px. So now we have y sub 1 times y minus 4p, instead of just x, but x sub 1, because this is a 1 here. All right, and then we have 2px minus 2px sub 1. So the last step here, we're going to write y sub 1 times y equals 2px minus 2px sub 1, and let's add this to both sides, plus 4px sub 1. This is just going to be 2px sub 1. And if you factor out a 2, you're going to get this equals y sub 1 times y equals, I'm going to factor out a 2p, because this part here is 2px sub 1, and we have a 2p here. I factor out a 2p, and I'm going to get plus x plus x sub 1. All right. From there, because this turns into a positive, because we have positive here. And this is your equation of the tangent line. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.